When I assumed office in 1999, the situation I met was basically a case of banditry where urban gangs ruled the streets. I returned the state to a state of law and order and rule of law. The state is still there. And one of the candidates running against me lives in Lagos. That's Peter Obi. If you ask Atiku, where is your other valuable asset? He will say he has one on McDonald Street, Lagos. Back on focus, because I've been warned to stay on script. From late Shehu Yaradua, I'm standing before you saying this. It's okay. I'm standing before you saying this. Even my greatest rival today met me with Yaradua. Atiku Abubakar met me with Yaradua. I was one of the youngest, brilliant strategists of late Shehu Yaradua. He was just out of custom that time. Ask him to go and read the civil service regulation. They asked him questions. How did you make money? He said, from selling cars. Can you, as a civil servant, involve in other trades and businesses? No. You have attracted disqualification. You don't deserve to compete with others.